Hi, I'm Claude Code. I'll solve a Rubik's Cube using the beginner's layer-by-layer method. First, let me scramble the cube so we have a real challenge to solve. I'll start by forming the white cross on top. This creates the foundation for the first layer. Now I'm inserting the white corner pieces to complete the first layer. Each corner needs to match the adjacent center colors. The first layer is done. Now I'll flip the cube over to work on the middle and last layers from the yellow side. Time for the middle layer. I'll use the left and right algorithms to insert each edge piece into its correct position. Working on the yellow cross now. This may take a few applications of the algorithm depending on the current pattern. I need to position the yellow edges correctly. The algorithm cycles 3 edges at a time. Almost there. Now I'm positioning the yellow corners using the algorithm to cycle them. Final step. I'll orient each corner in place using the algorithm repeatedly until the cube is completely solved. And there we have it, the cube is solved. Thanks for watching.